Worried about losing data on your TECNO phone? In this video, we'll show you 5 top tools to back up, restore, and manage your TECNO data easily and securely. Top 1. TECNO Sync Software MobiKin Android Backup and Restore. MobiKin Backup Manager lets you back up and restore TECNO data to PC in one click, with no loss. It works with all Android devices and is perfect for switching phones or keeping data safe. Step 1. Open the software and connect your TECNO via USB. Step 2. Enable USB debugging. If needed, click Backup. Step 3. Sync TECNO. Select the types of data you want to back up. Then choose a folder on your computer where the files will be saved. Finally, click Backup to transfer your TECNO data to the computer. Top 2. MobiDrive Cloud Storage and Sync. MobiDrive is a cloud tool for TECNO users to back up, sync, and access files anytime. It supports auto backup, real-time sync, and works across devices. Top 3. TECNO Cloud. TECNO Cloud is a cloud service developed specifically for TECNO smartphone users, designed to back up, sync, and manage personal data effortlessly. It supports automatic syncing of contacts, messages, photos, and other key files, ensuring your data is safely stored. Top 4. Google Drive. Google Drive is a widely used cloud storage service that offers generous free storage, easy file sharing, and strong integration with Google's ecosystem like Docs, Sheets, and Gmail. Top 5. Google Photos. Google Photos is a popular cloud-based photo and video storage service that offers automatic backup, smart organization, and easy sharing. With its seamless syncing and powerful features, Google Photos is a great choice for TECNO users to manage and protect their memories.